Evening, children. Today I am here to discuss the spoken English on the topics encouragement. Now, what is encouragement? In one word, we can say that encouragement is one type of motivation. Now, falling once does not mean there is nothing left in life. There is always a way to fight back the hard times to achieve what you desire. Whether you are a school going kid or a business owner, you lose the track and feel demotivated somewhere in life. So, if we won't get success in one time, we should not get upset. We should cheer up and we should motivate ourselves to fulfill our desires, to fulfill our plans, to fulfill our aims. Now it helps to being progressive both physically and mentally. Moreover, our goal does not be able big or long term, they can be small too. Okay, now see how we can encourage a person, or how can we encourage a small kid, or how can we encourage our friends if when they are in the depression mood. Okay, now see, Biswas rakhiye. We can say to him that Biswas rakhiye, rest assured. चिंता मत करे. यस, कुछ अगर किसी के बारे में चिंता करना शुरू कर दे तो उस समय हम लोग बोलेंगे कि चिंता मत करे, स्टॉप वरिंग. यू शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. वॉट एवर विल बी हैपनिंग इन आवर लाइफ, ऑल विल बी गुड एंड फाइन. बच्चे की तरह मत रो. Yes, if a big person, if an adult person cries like a child, then we say like this, that बच्चे की तरह मत रो, don't cry like children. Now, if you want to motivate that particular person, then we should sometimes we have to scold him or her also in this polite manner. मेरी चिंता मत करो, डोंट वरी अबाउट मी. अगर कोई चिंता करे मेरे लिए तो हमको उसको बोलना है कि मेरे लिए, मेरे बारे में चिंता मत करो, डोंट वरी अबाउट मी. हर मत, डोंट बी स्केयर. हरो मत, डोंट बी स्केयर्ड. मुझे आप पर गर्व है. यस, if suppose when you children do good results, I hope all of your parents say these words that मुझे आप पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. Now this father and mother, the guardians, they used to say to their children when they make a good results, good academic results, the parents become very happy, they become very pleased, and they used to say मुझे आप पर गर्व है, I am proud of you. कोई कर्ज नहीं, it doesn't matter. बड़े अफसोस की बात है, it was very bad. Yes, if we hear any sad news, then we say that बड़े अफसोस की बात है, that means it is very bad. उसे सांत्वना दो, console him. Yes, when someone is in depression mood, then we say that उसको सांत्वना दो, console him, just cheer him up or motivate him up. ईश्वर की यही इच्छा है. It was God's will. Yes, when something happens good or something happens bad, whatever it may be, we used to say ईश्वर की यही इच्छा है. It was God's will. आप मेरी और यही घूरने हो तो why do you stare at me? Yes, if someone stares at me, I may ask him or her that why you are staring at me. आप मेरे और कहीं घूरते हो, किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? Now, if anyone made any wrong, then suppose the elder person or teacher, he or she may ask him or her that किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? कैसी शर्म की बात है? what a shame. Yes, if someone's again do any mistakes, then we would like to say कितना शर्म की बात है. What a shame. मैं किसका विश्वास करूँ? Whom can I trust? Yes, this also you may ask, if someone break the trust or break your honesty, break his or her honesty, then we can say that मैं किसका विश्वास करूँ? Whom can I trust? यही मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. Yes, if someone blames me unnecessarily, then we can say यही मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. उसने नाक में दम करके रखा है. He is nuisance. Now, if someone makes if someone makes nonsense, if someone makes disturbs anyone continuously, then we will say that उसने नाक में दम करके रखा है. He is nuisance. मुझे उससे चीड़ आती है. He irritates me. Yes, if someone disturbs me regularly and repeatedly, then we can say that उसने मेरा मुझे उससे चीड़ आती है. He irritates me. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He has cheated me. Now, when someone has cheated me, when someone lies to us, then we can say that उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He was cheated me. Shabash. Yes, if someone do the good, if someone make good results, then we say shabash or well done or keep it up. तुम कितने अच्छे हो. That's wonder. Yes. Suppose I too says to the little children, like you people, that whenever you do well, whenever you do any good things, then I always says that तुम कितने अच्छे हो. You are very good, or that's the wonder. तुम कितने अच्छे हो. You are so nice. आप बेकार गुस्से रखे हो. You are angry for nothing. Yes, if someone gets angry and if the reason is not solid, if there is no solid reason, then we can say that आप बेकार गुस्से हो रहे हैं. You are angry for nothing. फिकर की कोई बात नहीं. There is no need to worry. If my mummy gets worried about me and if there no solid reason behind it, then I can say to my parents, I can say to my mother that फिकर की कोई बात नहीं. There is no need to worry. तुम चिंता किस बात को है. What's bothering you? कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पर तुम चिंता कर रहे हो. What is bothering you? So, my dear children, you please go through this page, this video repeatedly, and please try to follow it in your lives and with your friends, with your relatives, whatever it may be. Whenever you get chance, you use it in your day-to-day life. Okay.
Thank you for watching the video. To know more about us, click www.stxavierspublicschool.com. If you like our video, then share and subscribe, please. Tata all my friend. I see you again in next video. Bye bye.